Hello friends, my name is Ashutosh and you are watching Encoder. And today we will understand how we can set up our React project and what is the project's structure of the React. So in last video we understood what is React, why it is so popular and why do we need to create web pages using React, what other advantages does React provide us. We understood all the things in last video. So now understand how we can create our first React project. For that, we need to have few things before we start. First of all, we write our codes in not in a normal text area or other application. There are some specific applications or softwares for specifically writing code and help you better write better code. For that, I will first want you to install VS Code, Visual Studio Code. For that, you need to go on Chrome and search VS Code. You will go to this page and here you will see this download button. Go to the download page and install whatever your device is. Like if you have Ubuntu, and so install this, and if you have Mac and if you have Windows, so I have Windows, I'll click on this. The download will start. As you see, my download has been started, but I have already downloaded it. For showing you, you just need to open the installer, accept the agreements, go to next and select all the things. And if you click on the install, it will be installed, but I have installed it, so that's why I'm not installing it again. After that, you need to install Node.js. You need to type Node.js or Node.js download. You will get this download page. Go to the download page and select your configuration. Like I'll install latest version for the Windows using any of this. If I want to install using package manager, but I want pre-built installers, so I'll go here, select for Windows and select my configurations and go click on download button and it will be downloaded. And this is the same process. We just need to follow the installer instructions and our Node.js will be installed. Let me show you how we can do this. Now we need to accept the agreements. Next, install. It would be installed in few seconds. As you can see here, Node.js has been successfully installed. So just checking purpose that our Node.js is installed or not, we just need to open our terminal. Let me show you. Go to search and type cmd. Open your command prompt, and in the command prompt to check your Node.js is installed or not, you just need to type node-v, v for version. If you get the version of the node, it means your Node.js has been installed successfully. Otherwise, you did some mistake. Follow all the steps correctly and or otherwise try restarting your PC. So the changes will be reflected. And one more thing, we downloaded Node.js for not just for using Node.js. We needed a package manager. A package manager means a manager who manages the package. Like if you have created some code or something you want to share with others, how would you share them? By creating small package. You create a small package and publish to the npm. Npm stands for Node Package Manager. To check that npm is installed successfully or not, you just need to type npm hyphen v. It is also stand for version. If you get this number or version, it means you have installed successfully all the things. We are now good to go to create our new project. You just need to create a folder where you will be installing your project. Just open your terminal here. After opening your project, the terminal you can open like this if you are in Windows 11, or if you can also just click here and type cmd, enter. In this path your cmd will be open. To create a new project, you just need to follow these steps. So to create our new React project, we need to type npm create vite latest, then our project name. For here I'll name it first project. So this is our first project. Hit enter. Now we need to select what framework we want to use. Here we want to use React. So we selected React. For now, we will use JavaScript only, and your project will be created successfully. As you can see here in that folder called first project that we created using Vite, and here is your brand new React project. So if you want to open this project in VS Code, just press Shift and right click on your mouse and click on open with code. It will be open in VS Code. Now here you can see this is the folder structure. This is the public where all your assets like images, video and all the things will be here. This is the main directory, source directory, and here we also manage our status assets and all the things. This is the main CSS file where all the CSS is there, and this is the main file where all the things start from. And after that, our app, in the main file, our app is called. So here is our app. In this app we create all the things like here. This is the boilerplate for creating React project using Vite. We will be seeing that how it is looking, and this is our some index file where all the basic codes are written, and this is a git ignore. Whenever you upload your project on GitHub, git ignore files, like there will be node modules and all the some packages and development packages, like these are like a lot of packages and can occupy a lot of space in your storage. Like upload all the things, unnecessary things on the GitHub, so that there is a git ignore file which tells like which file do not to upload on GitHub. And this is the index file. This is the main file which will be rendering in the main browser, and from here the main app opens, and in the app all the things are managed. I hope you have all the things clear. This is the package.json file. All the packages that we've installed are listed here, like dependencies. Like we created a React project, so in the package we installed a React, and we also installed React DOM. This is also a package which we downloaded. If you want to development server run, you just need to open a terminal. Click here, go to terminal and open a new terminal. You just need to type npm rundev. Your development server will be started. There is some kind of problem. Let me check. First of all these dependencies and all these things, we need to install them in our this folder. To install them, we just need to write in our terminal npm I or install proper install. We can type install, or you can say simply npm I. Hit enter. Like all the dependencies are being installed. Let me install all the things first and I'll see you there. As you can see here, all the things have been installed correctly, and there is a new folder called node modules. Here all the modules which I need has been installed, and as you can see there are a lot of modules that has been installed now. So let's start. Run our first React project. npm run dev, it means run the development server. As you can see here, my development server has been started. We just need to go on this URL, and you can just click or press Ctrl and click on this URL. This would be opened in this browser. As you can see here, successfully we have created our first React project using Vite. So let me tell you what is Vite. Like if you create our project, or if you have created HTML or CSS, I'm pretty sure that you know about what is HTML and what is CSS and JavaScript. So when you write some code in HTML, CSS, every time you make changes, you need to refresh your page in the browser. Here Vite provides you this functionality. You don't need to refresh your page all the times when you make changes. Vite will handle this, and if there is any kind of update, your code will be reloaded in the browser itself. So this is it. We have successfully installed our basic React application and successfully understand what is the basic folder structure of React. In the next video, I'll see you there.